Hey everybody, it's Michael Cocoon with Travels with Michael, and I am going to do an unboxing video for the September box of Bespoke Post. And this month's box, I'm a few days late. I've been having some health issues, so I wanted to focus on that first. But this month I got, it's called Cocoon. It's supposed to be, I think it's a blanket slash sleeping bag. I gotta remember, but came in not a fairly big box, but yeah, so let's just open it real quick and see. According to the website, I'm looking at it right now, it's green and black, so it's kind of cool. I do get a lot of camping stuff, but I find that even when I'm not camping, a lot of it I've used, like, one of the times I got a nice headlamp and I actually use that on set, so that's kind of cool. Hold on. How do they have this box? Okay. I'm using scissors probably the wrong way. Don't use them like me. I don't have another way to open it. I don't have a box cutter. I have to get a box cutter. Where are they? Here. Okay. God, this whole video could just be me. This whole video could just be trying to figure out how to open this box. Okay, so I got the sticker off now. There's some tape. Hold on here. Fun, right? There we go. I think this is half the fun of unboxing videos. Oh, cool, look at this. It is a sleeping bag. It's sort of just like in there. So it's called, let's see, Climate Sleep Outside Versa Blanket. Packable multi-use blanket for any adventure. Oh, so it says car, tent camping, backpacking, and game day. 4-corner hand pockets, soft touch polyester ripstop fabric. Climalite synthetic insulation. So this is the blanket. This is actually kind of cool. Let's see what the paper says here. Essential backwoods survival tips. I'll just give you some survival tips. There's actually nothing about the thing, but I could take it out, but I'm afraid I might have a hard time putting it back in. So I might have to do a separate video on that. But it says stores easily in footbox, creating the perfect travel pillow. Corner straps, hand pockets, and footbox create the ideal warm weather sleep system. So it's a blanket. Yeah, I think it's a blanket that turns into like a sleeping bag. So that's kind of cool. I'll definitely get a lot of use with this because I'm always taking road trips. So yeah. All right, so this is the September box from Bespoke Post. I know this is a quick, simple video. Really nice little drawstring. Oh, definitely has like, okay, look, it's green and black. I'm gonna take it out later. I'll do a follow-up video, but really nice soft material. So yeah, it looks like it might go back in fairly easily. But it definitely feels like it definitely sleeping bag material. But maybe I'll do a video of me using this so you guys can see it in action. But anyways, yeah. So this is my September unboxing of Bespoke Post. All right, I gotta go back to working on my blog because I just took a trip to Mexico City, so I gotta work on that. But anyways, this is Michael Cocoon with Travels with Michael, and I'll see you on your next adventure.